welcome back everyone. So today we are going to test the new quick hitch adapter thingies that we put on the other day. We need to make sure they fit both the shredder and the cement mixer, and if they do, beautiful, because the cement mixer we also need to measure the hydraulic lifty thing because it's too short at the moment. We need, or is it too short or too long?
It's too long.
It's too long at the moment. We can't, especially when we're reversing the tractor down the driveway, the cement all comes out. We need to be able to lift high to mix properly and get full loads. So that is today's job. Firstly, just to make sure that this new quick hitch thingies, as I said, make sure everything we've got so far. And yeah, fingers crossed that works out. Oh, and we've also got to get the shredder. The shredder's been sitting for a long time. So I've got to make sure that still works because we've got some privet to get rid of. I think we're going to have a bit of an explosion of growth this year. So trying to get onto it as quickly as we can.
Came off so easy, and you weren't even there to film it.
Don't you dare. So someone's already lost the leg to sit this on. So what do? Improvise. We'll find it later.
Might go over there and hook up the green cement mixer, right? See how it goes.
Yep, let's go.
All right, cool.
Come here, little man. You just stay out of the way, old fella. Eh? Good boy. Spot on.
You go around the other side. I don't want to jinx it, but damn, that was easier than I thought it might be.
I think it also helps that we're getting a bit more accustomed to things now.
I think so, you know, it's that when you first do something new and it's different, you're kind of going, am I doing this right? What's that all about?
Yeah, exactly.
Normally I put some Loctite on that and I put a screwdriver through there to get it real tight.
Oh, yep.
I'm not going to worry about that just yet. This is just to measure it, to make sure we get that top measurement. We're not going to use it. So once we get that top new ram, before then I'll do this, grease everything. This is just, as I say today, it's just to test it.
Sweet.
Oh, so much work this week, man. A spider on that one. Well, off you go. Not super tight in case we have to move it, but we'll give it a go, eh?
Yes.
All right. I think that's why that spreader bar is good. Notice how it was splaying out?
Yeah.
When you get it close, you put the spreader bar in, it holds it from going outside those pins. I just wish I knew where I put it. Tracy will love that. Somewhere.
So there's two things lost now.
We're not lost, we just don't know where they are. There's a difference, all right? So can you come around this side, just push that in a bit?
Push it what? Out?
In, it's got to come in. See how it's not in the pin?
Oh, right.
Use your foot, safer.
It's my foot. Odie, come here, mate. Yeah, cutie, put on a step on you now. Look at that.
How easy was that? Still got to get new plates made up for that. That's on, that's on. How's that?
That's a better angle.
You know what, that was so much easier to get on.
Maybe we don't need a new thingy.
I think my phone has an inclinometer on it. Let's have a look. So really that's too high to mix. That's the problem, see there? Because that's about where you'd be shoveling. So it's got to come back. 33 degrees they said. I don't know if that's right or not. So you can see that's about 10 degrees. It's got to be
Wow.
up there somewhere. It's nowhere near it. What I'm going to do is I'm just wondering, I've got this on the longest one.
Yep.
I know I can't get it in here, but I might be able to get it into this one. So luckily this isn't too heavy, but I may need you to hold this. Okay. What's that look like? That's 17. So we're still not there.
18's closer.
18's closer. So what we need to do is take the pin out and I'll lift it with you holding the spirit level till you get to about 30. And then we just need to sort of measure how far down the ram we've gone and then take that off the ram, if that makes sense.
Kinda.
Kinda. So the shortest bit of the ram is, so I'm measuring from there to say the center of that. From there it's 53 centimeters. So it's 34 centimeters we need at shortest throw. It's currently 53 centimeters. And we need, what was it, 80 something?
81.
81, so it's 80 at longest throw. Done. I'm pretty happy with that. I think that worked really well. I was so impressed how that came on.
Yeah.
Normally I'm sitting there trying to bring those arms out. You got to line them up and tap them. This bit here, that was so good because you could just actually push it up against this bit and then push it so that it leveled them out, because if it wasn't even, it just leveled them out like that.
Yep.
Levels them out like that. So you've got two pins and you back up and you haven't got it right, you've got to move this, but if you use the tractor, you just basically push against it till it moves. Let's try it on that one.
Okay.
All right, backing up.
Aiden. Good boy. I know. There we go. I know, little cootie. Yes, you are. So are you, Rocky. Don't worry.
Be good to get it up so I can mow the grass. All right, Rocky, you ready to lift it up, buddy? All right. That's it. Found our old
Long lost
power cord.
Power cord.
How good is that?
Rocky approved.
Rocky, approved.
Odin, please
So it's a
don't
bit
go.
stiff, so I think I'll call that a success. Those quick hitches worked on all three items. A little bit of playing around, but first time, hey, that was pretty good. I'll give this a clean, I'll oil it, and we can start using this. Actually getting rid of all that privet now.
That'd be awesome.
And all these other trees.
Okay, so if you stuck around this long, thanks for watching. It all worked really well. We just had to adapt some pins. Don't film me.
Movie star.
We just had to adapt.
There you have it.
Switch
Those
around a
quick
couple
hitches
of
work
pins.
really well. The full video should be up tomorrow.
Oi! Your microphone's going to be on here.
Oi! Who has
Oi.
priority? Oh, I got my microphone on.
Oh my god. I have to get good help, people.
Well, do you want to do another one? Maybe I'll just sing.
Give me your microphone. Stop talking.
Mama don't know daddy's in the shop.
Give it to me.
You want me to go now?
Be quiet. Thanks for watching, everyone, if you've made it this far. that was a success. The new quick hitch adapter thingies, definitely worth the money. I highly recommend them. They so far have fit all 3 of our pieces of equipment. Just some minor adapting of pins. Thankfully the pins were different widths. I can see why now. So yeah, they've been a huge success. Jason's just getting the tractor in position. So this weekend we can do some chipping of some privet. It's a weed here. Certainly grows like one. So yeah, we've got to get that. We've got a little bunch, just a little bunch over there. Get that all chopped up and chipped. So thank you very much. The next video will probably be some exciting wood chipping if we can't think of something better in the meantime. Anyway, thank you. Bye bye.